which I just have big one.
Hello. Okay, see. I know the pool. Let's talk to inside Toyota radiator. Share that one spoiler. Okay, share that one spoil the motor.
It's you tire me say.
Okay, see now. The carburetor don't burn now. See, the oil you don't know. See, madam, as this car, as it did like this, I've never seen me go burn. When you go burn this motor with acid, that is the only solution to this motor.
I hear saying with the base metal for this. Sometimes I look at my account for me to have beg now.
See, madam, I like your action. I like the way you approach me. You approach me in a good way. That's why I want to help you. That is why I want to help you.
Thank you.
See, madam, let me tell you something. Yes, all these things I'm doing it because of my oga. My oga that teach me work, he said I should not be harsh on customer. That is Bashaki. He said I should not be harsh on customer. That I should treat customer in a good way. That's why I want to help you. It's not that I do this motor is supposed to go burn out.
I know now.
It's not free, Jare. It's not free. See, madam, this motor is there. It's for you to do it for you. You will pay me 19.5.
It's too much now. Maybe 50K now.
Okay, wait. You better say no.
Hey, I'll come now. I'll pay. I'll pay.
Very good. This motor is there like this. You won't collect it in the next 2 months.
It's too far now.
Okay, check that you want.
Okay, next 2 months.
Where is it? Kevin! Kevin! Okay, right here. Just do work. Okay, see work when they do. They got the full length of
stuff.
Okay, go bring one fan bed for me for boss. Okay, no problem. See how much to engine rough anyhow. Where this boy? Kevin!
Sir?
Where the fan bed want to send you?
See now.
Where this one the fan bed?
See the bed. That is fan bed.
Okay, wait. Okay, you said now this one the fan bed. Okay, now this one the fan bed. Give me the bed. You don't know anything. You will still suffer for 600 years for this stuff. You don't spend out about 6 months and you never know fan bed. You will suffer for 600 years or dead. Who they coming? Chief. Hello, Chief.
Abigo, now.
Are you there?
That my motor that day. At the waka, just stop for road.
Okay, your motor when you back at my store.
Just stop along express.
Now condemn oil will pay for that motor. I don't tell you that motor. You need condemn oil. If you once you put condemn oil for that motor will book. I don't tell you.
Too fast, maybe the car they wait for road.
That express. No one I'll come. Let's
too fast, don't narrow that day.
The next 92 seconds, I'll be there.
Okay, I they wait for road.
Okay. Una don't hear about what the motor when they call Rose Red. No, Rose Red. Rose Red, maybe that motor when they pass on. If they help you with the pass on, the guy is called Rose Red. You don't know. But I will teach you how to repair Rose Red. It's simple. It's simple. All these things are small things. Kevin. Sir? Should have been what they call.
Yes.
Are you sure? That is not there. By the time I'm done with this guy, by the time I finish the where your master? My God. Won't be cool, Won't I kill you? When you're down there, go up.
After I go with this one, I will remove your just now.
Okay, my God, come to dinner. No guy go to dinner. The same one side the next week in the dinner. Let me come and come to dinner.
I mean the one, if you show me your garden, just show me your garden before I shoot your liver out of your belly.
I'll talk.
Abigo, what's the idea? Come outside. Okay. Abigo, sir. Come here. I know. You know, Abi? I know. Abigo, where's my motor? Your motor? Where's my motor? Your motor? I don't sell her. Ethiopia. You sell my motor. You sell my motor. It be like. You sell my motor. How much you cost sell my motor? I sell her. How much you sell her? I sell her nothing. 5. You sell my motor. You sell my motor. I sell her. Where the money went concert? The money where I to sell her. Where the money went to sell her? The money. I don't chop her. Chop her. No ladder. Chop my money. Nah, devil. You chop my money. No ladder. You chop my money. No ladder. No ladder. Nah, devil. Never be. Stop. Offer. That's what.
Finish it.
So you get my 30 people.
If I want to be this guy like this, now waiting too.
Oga, this guy na thief. Na 90 this phone, 90 fam.
Hey. dead. You want to die? Don't worry, leave him for me.
He will wake up.
Don't worry, leave him for me. Yes! You cannot die this time, my brother. Then when? A better time.